So it's a rainy afternoon mga kagabay. So I'm still now here in Baguio City. So this is one of the important attractions that you don't need to miss in the city of Baguio. So I'm here now at Lourdes Grotto. We are here with my touring guests at Lourdes Grotto. So we're going to pay respect to our Mary Mother. So Lourdes Grotto. So this is one of the famous attraction in Baguio because according to those people coming here, so you need to make a sacrifice and you offer a prayer, then they're gonna bless you. So bibigyan kayo ng real blessing. At the same time, this is also how you ask forgiveness for your sins that you commit. Okay, samahan nyo ako. 252 steps going up. There's a few more steps. Andun na po kami. From offering a prayer. So meron din po sila dito mga Via Crucis or the Station of the Cross. So I think not only for the visitors during ordinary times, but this is also one of the spots for pilgrim, especially during the Holy Week. So we're already here on the top of Lourdes Grotto after taking the 252 step going up. So now ito yung pinakamaganda dito because once you reach the highest point, it's over scenic or panoramic view of Baguio City. But since now umakyat kami ay medyo maulan or rainy days, so foggy po yung area. Okay, so it's time to go down again after the 252 steps. So we're now moving down. So dahan-dahan lang. Iba na yung may mga sakit sa paa, rayuma. Ay naman kayo dyan.